Hola amigos, hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is our fourth video on this channel, and through this channel I teach Spanish language through English language. So today we are gonna learn about nombres de días in Espanol, which means weekdays in Spanish language. So let's start this video without getting any delay. So let's start this video with Monday. Monday, lunes. Tuesday, martes. Wednesday, miércoles. Thursday, jueves. Friday, viernes. Saturday, sábado. Sunday, domingo. ¿Vale? Let's revise it once again. Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado y last is domingo. Domingo. Guys, let's learn how do we pronounce weekend in Spanish language. So weekend would be fin de semana. El fin de semana is weekend, which means Saturday or Sunday. And weekdays from Monday to Friday would be entra semana. Entra semana. El fin de semana y entra semana. ¿Vale? So that's it for today, guys. Thank you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye.